Natural English phrases every Filipino must know. Hi! Welcome back po sa OFW English Lessons. Sa video na to, ili-level up natin ng konti ang pagsasalita natin ng English sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral ng mga natural English phrases sa halip na yung basic lang na nakasanayan natin. Reminder, hindi word for word ang translation nito kasi hinahanapan lang natin ng equivalent yung mga phrases na to base sa context. I'll just eyeball it. I'll just eyeball it. Tatansyahin ko na lang. Don't take it the wrong way. Don't take it the wrong way. Huwag mo sanang mamasamain. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Game ako dyan. I can't make it. I can't make it. Hindi ako makakapunta. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Balitaan mo ako or i-update mo ako. Let me sleep on it. Let me sleep on it. Pag-iisipan ko muna. It is what it is. It is what it is. Wala tayong magagawa dyan, ganon talaga eh. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Diretsuhin mo na ako. Let's play it by ear. Let's play it by ear. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Depende. It's a long shot. It's a long shot. Suntok sa buwan yan. Don't get your hopes up. Don't get your hopes up. Huwag kang masyadong umasa. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Sinabi mo pa. I'm tied up right now. I'm tied up right now. Marami akong ginagawa ngayon. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Sus, wag mong problemahin yun, wala yun. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Tama na muna to, magpahinga na muna tayo. Or bukas na lang uli. That's a fair point. That's a fair point. Tama naman yon. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up. Tapusin na natin to. I can live with that. I can live with that. Okay sa akin yon or ayos lang sa akin yon. I'm running late. I'm running late. Malilate na ako. Get a grip. Get a grip. Umayos ka nga. It's up to you. It's up to you. Ikaw ang bahala. I'll catch you later. I'll catch you later. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Papunta na ako. No worries, take your time. No worries, take your time. Okay lang, huwag kang magmadali. I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. Susubukan ko. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Wala yon or maliit na bagay lang yon. I totally get it. I totally get it. Naiintindihan ko. Give me a break. Give me a break. Tigilan mo nga ako. Okay, I'll look into it. Okay, I'll look into it. Sige, i-check ko yan. I hope everything turns out okay. I hope everything turns out okay. Sana maging okay lang lahat. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Babalikan kita tungkol dyan mamaya. That's out of my hands. That's out of my hands. Wala na sa kamay ko yan or wala na akong kontrol tungkol doon. Read the room. Read the room. Pakiramdaman mo ang paligid mo. I've been there. I've been there. Pinagdaanan ko na yan. I'm over it. I'm over it. Naka-move on na ako. It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. Wala namang mawawala kung susubukan.